bag. Let's go get some candy. Okay, you want to go up to Becky's? Giovanni, wait. Wait for me.
Get over here.
Guys, come back.
All right, you're not going trick-or-treating. Get back over here. You have to stay with us or we're going to come right back home.
Trick or treat.
You're so cute.
Trick or treat.
Do you want to go trick-or-treat? We have to wait for Sammy and we have to wait for Mimi.
Trick or treat. Happy day.
Happy Halloween.
Happy trick or treat.
What are you guys doing?